Hello loves, best of venner, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, all I want to say is thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. So guys, today we'll be making some giant donuts. Valentine is coming, so stay tuned, okay? Okay guys, so for this recipe you will need some flour, butter, milk, salt, yeast, egg and sugar. I will leave the ingredients in the description box below, so go check it out. And of course you will need your oil for frying. Let's get into it. So in your mixing bowl you add in your milk, your warm milk, your sugar, your salt and your yeast, and you will just quickly mix them together. Okay, let's just do that. Okay guys, so after that you add in your egg and you put in your flour, then you mix it all together as well. All right, don't forget that with the measurement of the flour you need to have about 10 grams, or let's say 2 tablespoons of flour left, so you can dip your hands in when you are getting all nasty at the end. I'll show you guys. So after that, after mixing this together, you add your butter to the dough and you also mix. Let's go. Okay, so this is totally optional. All right, you can decide to do all the mixing in the machine, or you can decide to do a little bit and do it and get nasty with your hands. Okay, I prefer it this way, so I can feel the dough somehow, some way. All right, so just knead until the butter has disappeared from it. All right, so after that you will get a smooth ball. All right guys, sorry for the positioning of the camera. You get a smooth ball and then you put it in a bowl. Of course, you spray the bowl with some oil, or you can just spread some fat spray in it, and then just like that, then you put it in a clean bowl. You cover it up with a film or any plastic thing you have, then you cover it with a neat kitchen towel. Then you leave it there to rest for an hour. Then you take it out and you deflate it. Okay guys, you're watching, right? Just keep watching. So guys, what I'm simply doing here is trying to form a long thread or a long thick line, so I can evenly divide this dough. Okay, so with the dough, because we are making giant donuts, I decided to make it a handful, as in the size should be a handful. All right, so you need to actually divide it. You can use your scale, all right, which is you weigh the size, or you weigh the dough and divide it into how many pieces you want it to be in. Okay, that is how simple you can weigh it for, or you can just use an eye measurement. Okay, and that is what I'm doing. Okay love, so the next step is rolling the doughs into balls. Okay, so since we are making some giant donuts, take note that some of your donuts will be bigger than others, but hey, who cares? So far as you're putting love in what you're doing, that's all that matters. You have. Yeah, so guys, you roll the balls into donuts and you do no you roll the doughs into balls and then you do that same method for all of it. Sorry, it's too early, all the Valentine vibes is catching up to me, you understand. Okay guys, so you cover these balls after it's done. You cover it with a towel and let it rise for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you pinch in a hole in the middle of the ball, and then in a circular motion you just use that hole as a guide and make the hole a little bit wider or big. I don't know if it makes sense, but guys, keep watching, okay? Okay guys, so over here I have myself a baking sheet which I have cut into smaller pieces or into smaller square pieces, okay? Or you can also put it on a flat a flat surface, okay? That's what I mean. Sorry. Yeah, you put it on a flat surface, that works totally fine too, all right? But I just decided to do it this way because it's very easy when you are putting it in the oil later, okay? That way you don't happen to be touching the dough after it has finally risen, okay? Okay guys, so you should have something like this after 45 minutes. So let's get frying. So in your pan, you just put in some oil and put it on medium heat so it doesn't fry too fast, or else you have some raw dough inside your donut and you really don't want that, okay? So as I was saying, with the baking paper, if you do it this way, it's easy for it to slip into the oil, okay? Please make sure you don't burn yourself, okay? Please, it's important to have fun in the kitchen, but don't start getting hurt, all right? Okay, so you can just let it fry like this for 2 to 3 minutes. You keep checking it, okay? Just keep checking it. But for me that is so impatient, I just kept fidgeting around. You don't necessarily have to do that. Just have to just let it be, let it do its own thing. Yeah, so let's keep going. Okay guys, please take note that when it begins to cook, it goes very fast, so keep your eye on it and don't forget to turn it around, or else you get a very darker brown color and which doesn't really look presentable, okay? Okay guys, so our donut is almost ready. You can just fetch the donut onto something that will help the excess oil drop off, okay? Guys, just look at that captain band there. Oh my god, that makes you see that you made a perfect job, okay? Guys, just look at the end product. This is how it should look like after it's done, all right? Remember, we are making giant donuts, okay? So you need patience, or else you have some raw donuts, okay? So you can do the last bit by yourself. You can put whatever you want on it, okay guys? I decided to put in some cinnamon or sugar coating, or just some glaze with some Oreos on it. Oh my god, guys, don't tell me this doesn't really make you want to take a bite. So guys, do try this recipe, okay? It's super soft and fluffy, all right? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay guys? And until we meet next time, don't forget to stay safe and mask up. Hey, so I ended up enjoying this donut with my homemade red wine, which is called So Bolo. And don't forget to follow me on my social media page, which is Abby_base on Instagram. And guys, if you want a So Bolo video, please do also put it in the comment section below. And until we meet next time again, the name is ABIGAIL and I'm out. Peace.